Hi guys, this is going to be the video for the card sort, which is a required DIY for everyone. Everyone has to do it at some point. So what you will need is a piece of paper or some Cornell notes, and you will also need to get the bag of the cards to sort out of the DIY 2 station. So in your bag, you're going to have some hot pink pieces of paper. Now mine are white, because this is the one I printed from my computer, but you guys will have some laminated hot pink ones. You're going to, first thing you need to do is separate your cards. Some of your cards will have only numbers and units on them, like this. Others will have boxes that look like this, that have circles, and whether you're looking for area. Notice there's also a number up here in the corner. You need to pay close attention to that number because it's going to help you. So some of these are area, some of them are circumference, some of them you're given diameter, some of them you're given radius. So what you have to do is complete the card sort. So you're actually going to have 14 different problems here. So what I would do, now you're going to have a regular size sheet of paper. I just have some scratch paper here. You need to have regular paper for this. I would label my paper 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 14. So you've got 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way until you get to 14. So then what you're going to do is you're going to choose one of the cards with the circles. And the first one on my top was number 6. So I'm going to find number 6 on my paper. Now make sure that you leave plenty of room so that you can show your work, because you have to show your work for all of these. So for number 6, we are looking for circumference when we're given the diameter. So we're going to do C equals pi times diameter. So for all of these, we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So we have 3.14 times, now my diameter is going to be 7. So then I'm going to come over here off to the side and actually show my work. I'm showing my multiplication. So 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9, and 7 times 3 is 21. Since I have 2 decimal places in my problem, I put 2 decimal places back into my answer. So my answer is going to be approximately 21.98, and I have to make sure that I put my units on there, and since we're doing circumference, it's just yards. So then you're going to go through your stack of answers. You're going to go, okay, I'm looking for 21.98, 21.98, 21.98, and go all the way through here. Watch, it's going to be the very last one. Oh, the next to last one. So then, these two make a pair. So if you do all this work and you end up not finding your answer, that means that you've probably made a mistake somewhere. So you need to go back and check your work. Either you used the wrong formula or you did the wrong work. So we're going to do one more together. This one is going to be the next one on my pile here, which was area. So this is problem number 9. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to find number 9. Now I don't have enough room here, so I'm just going to make it right here. Do not make yours out of order. Okay, yours need to be in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down to 14. I don't want to see 6, 9, 3, 2, 1, 12. Put them in order so it's nice and neat. I will be taking a grade on this since it is a required DIY. It needs to be neat and orderly, or I will give it back to you and I will not grade it. So for this one, we're looking for area. So we have area equals pi r squared. So let's plug in our numbers. Pi, we're going to use 3.14. My radius is given to me. I don't have to find it. It's 6, and then squared. So remember, when we're doing a number that is squared, that means 6 times 6, not 6 times 2. So be really careful. So you have 3.14 times 36. So then go off to the side, and you can go either place as long as you're actually showing your work. So you have 3.14 times 36. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And 6 times 3 is 18. Bring down the 0. So now we have 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And 3 times 3 is 9. So now we need to add these. We get 4, 10, 13, and 11. So now I've, once again, got 2 decimal places in my problem, so I'm putting 2 decimal places into my answer. My answer is going to be approximately 113.04. What are my units? Square meters. Remember, area units are always squared. Circumference will be just the regular unit. Area is always squared. So now I'm going to go through my pile of answers again, and I'm going to find the one that says 113.04 square meters. So we flip through them. Now remember, if you don't find that answer, that means that you have probably made a mistake somewhere and you need to go back and check. Now the thing about this one is, notice it was a rounded answer. But because it's close enough, I think we're pretty good. I think we're on the right track. So we've made another pair, put it off to the side, and make another selection. So you're going to keep doing these. There are a total of 14. You need to make sure that you get this done. It is a required DIY. If you have any questions, be sure that you let me know, and I will try to help you out the best that I can. Good luck, and let me know if you're having any issues. Thanks.